Welcome to my party. I am very happy and welcome all a beautiful women in the town.
Once upon a time, there was an unkind prince. He always forced people to pay tax. He likes beautiful women and always spent a lot of money.
Hello, Prince. Can I stay here for a while because it's windy and cold outside?
No, you can't. You are not welcome at all an ugly woman.
Please, the weather is too cold. Oh, I have something to give you.
Shut up and go out now, old woman. Don't talk a lot.
I will cast you to be a bitch.
Truly, the rose which is given by the witch is a magic rose. Beast had to find someone who loved him. He must meet her before the last rose petal falls. All the rest, he will become the beast forever.
Little town, it's a quiet village. Every day, like the one before. Little town, full of little people. Waking up to say
Bonjour. Bonjour.
I'm beautiful, very beautiful. I'm more beautiful than you.
No, you aren't. I'm more beautiful than you.
What are you doing, Belle?
I am cleaning our house. What about you, Dad? Is everything okay?
Yes, it is. I have to go now. I must go to the city. Would you like something?
I want a new dress.
I want new dresses.
Alright, I want 3 new dress sets.
4 new dresses.
5, 6.
Be quiet, you two. What would you like, Belle?
I like a rose.
Is that all?
Yes, Father, that's all.
Good morning. What do you want? This one or this one?
No. I want dresses. How much?
100 baht per one. How many dresses do you want?
I want 2 dresses.
Thank you. Hello, what do you want?
I want 2 apples and 2 bananas.
Do you want anything more?
Yes, a pineapple. How much?
140 baht. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Mollet. How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I am okay. What do you want today?
Nothing. There are a lot of eggs in my house. I have to go now. See you later. Bye.
Give me your money now.
If you don't give me money, I will kill you.
Look over there. Look over there. Look over there.
Hey, stop. Hey, come back.
Here's the castle. Look at this nice food. I'm hungry. Yum! It's nice and warm by the fire. I must find a rose for Belle. rose. Pink is Belle's favorite color. I'm going to pick a pink rose for her.
Who is he? Why does he dare to pick a rose?
We walked to him and asked, "Why are you here?"
A pot can speak.
Calm down. We are good people.
A clock can speak.
Don't be afraid. Why do you pick my Lord Rose?
I will give it to my daughter.
Why are you picking my rose?
Oh no, it's a present for my daughter. I'm sorry.
You are a thief. You must come into the jail.
Dad! 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 Where are you? Dad! 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 Where are you? Dad!
Bill!
Dad, what happened?
I picked the rose and I didn't know the rose is pink.
I want it. I will be here instead you.
How are you?
I'm Bear. I'm his daughter.
He is a thief. He picked the rose in my garden.
I want just the road. He didn't want it. Please take me into the places instead.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
No, Bill! No!
Dad!
No!
Dad!
No!
Dad!
No!
Dad!
No!
Don't worry, my lady, my lord. Looks like a child because his mom and dad passed away when he was young.
My Lord very strong for going up with himself by us in this council supporting. I don't understand about him for posting with lady. He is not gentleman. You know my lady, my lord is a gentleman, but he is shy you.
You are a beautiful girl, my lady. Don't worry.
You, and you, lie me. Someone tells me crazy, no, or nerd. I'm strange. Because you are strange, then you are different, my lady.
Oh, so late. You have to go to bed, my lady.
See you tomorrow, my lady. Have a good dream, my princess. Bye bye.
don't. Can I help you, lady?
We can help you ready. You are so beautiful.
No, I don't need help. Don't touch my hand.
It hurts.
I'm sorry. Be patient.
Enough is okay.
I'm sorry. I am a curse to make you hurt.
Don't be hard on yourself. I have to help you because I care about you.
I like this garden. There are lots of roses.
I like a pink rose. It makes me feel good.
I like pink rose too. I want it, so I have to be here. What do you feel about my Lord? He is polite, kind, and gentle.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
I'm just a woman. I'm not appropriate for joining your dinner.
You are beautiful and kind woman. You are good for my Lord.
Give him a chance. You are perfect for my Lord. Okay, sir. I accept your invitation.
Belle, you are so beautiful tonight.
You are so beautiful tonight.
Thanks a lot. You are good looking tonight.
Would you like dancing with me?
Finally, everyone lived happily ever after.